Hello guys, I'm glad to see you. It's me, my helper, and today I'm gonna show you how to use KeyFrame in CapCut. Okay, first of all, how to set KeyFrame. We need to click on this video and click on this. This is KeyFrame. KeyFrame. When we use our KeyFrame, its color is red. It's color red. Yeah. Okay. Let's set another keyframe and change scale like this. Okay, watch. Whoa, we can change scale with using keyframe. Okay, and set another keyframe to again change scale like this. Okay, first keyframe, go to next, change scale, and change scale again. Okay, let's delete this keyframe. How to delete keyframe? We need to click on this. Okay, we delete our keyframe. And we again change scale. Because this keyframe change our scale. Okay, how to use keyframe? It's need to know for anyone who use CapCut, and we know about it. Thank you for the watch, guys. Have a nice day.